everyone, this is Nita from Richmond. Today I want to introduce a machine that we will be exporting soon, the LIUGONG 9027F. This compact excavator can handle many different jobs like utility work, landscaping, and indoor and outdoor constructions. It is easy to move, simple to use, and low maintenance. Let me walk you through those key features. It uses a YANMAR energy that meets strict emission standard. The energy provides 50.2 kilowatt of power and help you save fuels. Thanks to its smart hydraulic and automatic idle control, it uses about 10% less fuel than similar machines. This hydraulic system is powerful and smart. This joystick lets you control the machine and attachments easily with your fingers, and it designed to reduce hand tired. You can also easily monitor and adjust the extra hydraulic flow from the inside the cab. Because of its compact size, so it can work well in a tiny space. The boom can spring far from the other side, so you can dig right next to the machine without moving it. It is great for small and indoor jobs. It has a powerful hydraulic connection that works with many attachments like breakers, and buckets, grab, and so on. This makes it a very versatile machine. This machine is built to tough jobs, and it is a true great choice for your demanding projects. Contact us if you want more details. This is Nita again. Thanks for your watching.